Hey guys, David Katzmeyer from CES 2020. I'm here in Samsung's booth, and this is a 292-inch television. That's how big this screen is, diagonal in inches. This is as big as it gets. This is micro LED, Samsung's technology. Really ridiculously expensive. We won't get into that, multi-hundreds of thousands of dollars. But the idea here is that you can take modules, put them together, and grow the screen pretty much as large as you want. So last year they showed this at 219 inches. This year, yeah, why not, 292. This thing is incredible. It looks great. You can see it in person. It looks just as good. The thing that strikes me is the incredible brightness of the screen, the fact that you have really good contrast, black levels, and color, even from this close. Of course, when you get back, appreciate the resolution. I don't even know what the resolution is on this. It's higher than 4K, probably higher than 8K at this size, just because it's so big. You're just putting together these modules, creating the screen. Now, unlike a standard LCD TV, this thing uses direct micro LEDs, which are tiny LEDs, millions of them packed close together without any LCD. This is just the LEDs themselves. That creates this brightness. The LEDs can each turn off individually. That creates the blacks, and the result is incredible contrast. Really, really great picture quality. You look at a projector, for example, at this size. This looks so much better in person. Of course, you got to be, a millionaire at least to get one of these things and have the space for it. But if you can do it, this is kind of a glimpse of what the future of wall-sized TV is. Now, Samsung does have on the other side here some smaller examples. I'll show you real quick. A little bit less impressive, but still pretty cool. Right here, we have a regular comparison of a standard QLED TV 8K next to the micro LED. You can see the difference in brightness. I don't know how much it shows up on the camera, but in person, the vibrancy, the light output, the color, everything on the micro LED just pops. And it just shows what this direct LED technology is capable of. And it's the kind of thing, wow, you look at this and go, okay, the QLED looks really good, but wow. In person, it's pretty cool. And again, this is a bunch of modules packed together. Toward the end here, I'll take you to the smaller one real quick. This is the 75-inch version. So what they're able to do here, this is kind of more of an engineering feat than the large one. Because the issue with these things is getting them small enough to be commercialized, to be the kind of thing that people can put in their houses, as opposed to their gymnasiums or whatever. This thing, they showed it last year, it's a 75-inch version. Again, they increased the pitch to be a lot smaller between the LEDs, tinier LEDs, less space between them. You can get the screen smaller and still keep a 4K resolution. So that's the goal here, to get these things small enough so that they actually work for normal walls. You have a similar version here, I think this is 93 inches. So again, similar technology. Actually, they showed us around the other side, there's an 8K version of this, which is the same television, 75-inch, but they just put more modules together to create 8K resolution, right? So again, when you have this modular technology, kind of make it as big as you want. Anyway, I'm David Katzmeyer. This has been a quick look at micro LED, the latest version, 292 inches and a little bit smaller at CES 2020. If you like these videos from CNET, go ahead and subscribe.